हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल अनफोल्ड लर्निंग। और आज मैं आपके साथ एक और सोल्यूशन वीडियो शेयर करने जा रही हूँ जो है मैथमेटिक्स फॉर क्लास 7 बाय आर.एस. अग्रवाल। इसके हम सोल्यूशंस कर रहे थे, जिसका चैप्टर 2 फ्रैक्शंस हमने स्टार्ट कर दिया था। और अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस देखना है तो प्लीज़ सबसे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को जाकर सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, ताकि आपको सारे एक्सरसाइजेस के सोल्यूशन आसानी से मिल जाएँ। तो आइए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं एक्सरसाइज 2B, जहाँ पर हम प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन सीखने वाले हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट। प्रोडक्ट के लिए 3/5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7/11 है। तो हम क्या करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर्स को एक साथ लिख लेंगे और डिनोमिनेटर्स को एक साथ लिख लेंगे। ये सिर्फ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ही पॉसिबल है, एडिशन में कभी, सब्सट्रैक्शन में कभी ऐसा नहीं कर देना कि न्यूमरेटर के साथ न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर के साथ डिनोमिनेटर ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना, दैट विल बी रॉन्ग। सिर्फ ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन में पॉसिबल है। सो वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई विद दिस 7 3s are 21 and 5 11s is 55. Hence your answer is 21/55. Next is 5/8 multiplied by 4/7. So हम इसको लिख सकते हैं 5 into 4/8 into 7. So 4 2s are 8, ये कैंसिल हो गया। अब हम लिख सकते हैं 5 7 2s is 14. 5/14 is the answer. Next is 4/9 multiplied by 15/16. So we can write here 4 into 15 upon 9 into 16. So ये 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are. So अब हमारे पास न्यूमरेटर में 1 times, so 5 1s are will be 5 and 3 4s are is 12. Next fourth part is 2/5 into 15. So हम इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 2 into 15/5. So ये 5 1s are 5 3s are 15 cancel out हो गया, तो 2 3s are 6 is the answer. Next is 8/15 multiplied by 20. So we can write this as 8 into 20/15. So 5 3s are 5 4s are 8 4s are is 32/3 is the answer. Next is 5/8 multiplied by 1000. So 5 multiplied by 1000/8. So we can cancel this 8 1s are 8 125 times, which is equal to 625. Hence this is the solution. Next part is 3 1/8 multiplied by 16. So ये mixed fraction को हम simple fraction में convert करेंगे. So this becomes 25/8 multiplied by 16. So we can write this as 25 into 16 divided by 8. 8 1s are 8 2s are. 25 into 2 is 50. Next is 2 4/15 multiplied by 12. Converting this mixed fraction into simple fraction. So 2 into 15 is 30 plus 4 is 34/15 multiplied by 12. So we can write this as 34 multiplied by 12/15. So 3 5s are 3 4s are 12. Now we cannot cancel this, so we'll have this as 136/5. जब भी improper fraction होता है, मतलब numerator is greater than denominator, so we always make it into mixed fraction. So it becomes 27 1/5 as the answer in the mixed fraction. Next part is 3 6/7 multiplied by 4 2/3. तो सबसे पहले हम इसको simple fraction में convert करेंगे. This becomes 27/7 multiplied by 14/3. So on solving this, 27 into 14/7 into 3. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27 and 9 2s are is 18. Next is 9 1/2 multiplied by 1 9/19. This becomes 19/2 multiplied by 28/19. So 19 into 28 divided by 2 into 19. 19 1s are 19 1s are 2 1s are 2 14s are. So this comes out to be 14. Next is 4 1/8 multiplied by 2 10/11. converting this into simple fraction, so this becomes 33 upon 8 multiplied by 32 upon 11. Now 33 multiplied by 32 upon 8 into 11. 11 ones are, 11 threes are, 8 fours are 32. So it becomes 3 fours are 12 as the answer. Next is 5 upon 6 multiplied by 1 5 upon 7. This comes out to be 35 upon 6 multiplied by 12 upon 7. So this becomes 35 into 12 upon 6 into 7. 7 ones are, 7 fives are, 6 ones are, 6 twos are. So answer is 5 twos are 10. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज सिंप्लीफाई. तो सिंप्लीफाई में हमको अब 3 फ्रैक्शंस दिए गए हैं. प्रोसीजर यही रहेगा. 2 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon 44 multiplied by 33 upon 35. So we'll write 2 into 5 into 33 in numerator, 3 into 44 into 35 in denominator. So we can cancel this. 11 fours are, 11 threes are, 3 ones are and 3 ones are, 5 ones are, 5 sevens are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So ऊपर आ जाएगा 1 multiplication के बाद and 7 twos are is 14. So 1 upon 14 is the answer. Next is 12 upon 25 multiplied by 15 upon 28 multiplied by 35 upon 36. So this becomes 12 into 15 into 35 upon 25 into 28 into 36. So cancelling this, 5 sevens are, 5 fives are, 3 4 threes are 12, 4 nines are 36, 3 threes are, next will be 3 fives are, 5 ones are and 7 fours are. Hence your answer is 1 upon 4. Next is 10 upon 27 multiplied by 28 upon 65 multiplied by 39 upon 56. So we will write this as 10 into 28 into 39 upon 27 into 65 into 56. So here we will cancel this by 13 threes are, 13 fives are, now 5 twos are, next will be 28 twos are, ये 2 से ये 2 cancel and 3 nines are. So answer will be 1 upon 9. Next is 1 4 upon 7 multiplied by 1 13 upon 22 into 1 1 by 15. So we can make this as 11 upon 7 multiplied by 35 upon 22 multiplied by 16 upon 15. So we can write this as 11 into 35 into 16 upon 7 into 22 into 15. So here 11 ones are, 11 twos are, 7 fives are, 5 threes are, 2 eights are. Hence your answer is 8 upon 3. 8 upon 3 प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन नहीं है तो इसको हम मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करके लिख देंगे एज 2 upon 3 as the answer. Next is 2 upon 17 into 7 2 upon 9 into 1 33 upon 52. So first converting this into simple fraction, this becomes 36 upon 17 multiplied by 65 upon 9 multiplied by 85 upon 52. So writing this 36 multiplied by 65 multiplied by 85 divided by 17 into 9 into 52. So 9 ones are, 9 fours are, 17 fives are, and next will be 4 13s are and 13 fives are. Hence your answer is 5 fives are 25. Next is 3 1 upon 16 multiplied by 7 3 upon 7 multiplied by 1 25 upon 39. So we can convert this mixed fraction into simple fraction as 49 upon 16 multiplied by 52 upon 7 multiplied by 64 upon 39. So now we'll be writing this as 49 multiplied by 52 multiplied by 64 divided by 16 into 7 into 39. So now we'll be cancelling this. 7 1s are, 7 7s are, 16 4s are, and last 13 3s are and 13 4s are. So we'll have this as 112 upon 3. So converting this into mixed fraction, 37 1 upon 3 is the answer. Next is question number 3. Find 1 upon 3 of 24. Of का मतलब होता है multiplication. So we can write 1 upon 3 multiplied by 24. So 24 upon 3 will be, this will cancel out by 8. So 8 is the answer. Next is 3 upon 4 of 32. So we'll write 3 upon 4 multiplied by 32. So we can write this as 3 into 32 upon 4. 4 8s are, and 3 8s are is 24 is the answer. Next is 5 upon 9 of 45. So we can write 5 upon 9 multiplied by 45, and 5 into 45 divided by 9. 9 1s are, 9 5s are, and 5 5s are is 25. Next is 7 upon 50 of 1000. So we can write 7 upon 50 multiplied by 1000, or we can write 7 into 1000 divided by 50. ये cancel out हो गया 5 20 times. So answer is 140. Next is 3 upon 20 of 1020. So we can write 3 upon 20 of 1020. So we can write this as 3 into 1020 upon 20. ये 0 से ये 0 cancel. 2 1s are, 2 5s are, and 2 1s are. On multiplication, we'll get this as 153 as the answer. Next is 5 upon 11 of rupees 220. So we can write 5 upon 11 multiplied by 220, and we can write this as 220 upon 11. 11 20 times. So it will be in rupees because आपको यहाँ पे unit दी हुई है. That will be 100. 5 into 20 is 100. Next is 4 upon 9 of 54 meters. So we can write 4 upon 9 of multiplication में हमने convert कर दिया and into 54. So 4 into 54 divided by 9, 9 6s are. So hence 6 4s are is 24. Meter is the answer. Meter यहाँ unit दी गई थी. Next is 6 upon 7 of 35 liters. So we can write 6 upon 7 multiplied by 35. So 6 into 35 divided by 7, 7 5s are. So 6 5s are is 30. Liters is the answer. Next is 1 upon 6 of an hour. अब 1 hour में 60 minutes होते हैं. So we can write this as 1 upon 6 multiplication by 60 minutes. So we can write 1 upon 6 into 60. So it will be 10 times. So 10 minutes is the answer. Next is 5 upon 6 of an year. So 1 year में आपको पता है there are 12 months. So we can convert this as 5 into 12 upon 6. 6 2s are, 5 2s are 10. So it is 10 months. Next is 7 upon 20 of a kg. So 7 upon 20 of मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हमने कन्वर्ट कर दिया एंड 1 kg में 1000 ग्राम्स होते हैं. तो हम इसको कैंसिल कर देंगे. 2 50s are. So 7 50s are is 350 grams. Next is 9 upon 20 of a meter. 9 upon 20 और 1 मीटर में 100 सेंटीमीटर्स होते हैं. सो ये हमने 20 को 5 टाइम्स 100 के साथ कैंसिल कर दिया. सो 9 5s is 45 सेंटीमीटर. नेक्स्ट इज 7 upon 8 ऑफ अ डे. तो 7 upon 8 ऑफ को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कन्वर्ट किया और एक दिन में 24 आवर्स होते हैं. सो वी कैन राइट 8 3s are 24 and 7 3s are is 21 hours is the answer. 3 upon 7 of a week. So we have 3 upon 7 multiplied by 1 week में 7 days होते हैं. So हम इसको कैंसिल कर देंगे. 7 1s are. So it will become 3 days. As we know 7 upon 50 of a liter. So 7 upon 50 we know that 1 लीटर में 1000 मिलीलीटर्स होते हैं, ये कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा इसके साथ 20 times, so 7 20s is 140 milliliters. Hence this is the solution. आई होप आपको मेरे सोल्यूशन वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे होंगे। अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट या क्वेरी है तो आप मेरे चैनल के कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं। एट लास्ट, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड शेयर माय वीडियो विथ योर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स, एंड डू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।